Welcome to HMIS training video. In this video, we are going to see how to raise a sick request from SickFit module. In SickFit module, doctors are provided with this sick and fit request menu. Click on the SickFit request menu. You will see this menu. You can search the patient through CR number or any other demographic details like mobile number, employee ID, or any alternate IDs like Umeed, PF number, employee number, and all the things. You can search the patient from here if patient not carrying any CR number or any document with him, or if you know the CR number, you can directly click on here and scan the CR number and click on go button to get the patient details. For giving a sick, patient being compulsory one visit in the sick giving hospital so that the sick can be given to employee. In the department, all these details will be shown where the patient has visited in this hospital. Select the department and what are the visits or in the patient in this hospital shown in the episode details. Select the episode on which the sick has to be given and select the sick category and also the sick type. If doctor want to see patient EMR, click on this EMR button. EMR will be opened over here. Doctor can check EMR, and in from date to date, select the from date and to date. Doctor can also having an option to select the past 5 days and set date, and from time to time also there. Also select the advised by, who has advised the sick and what is the reason for sick for giving sick to the patient, and doctor can record remarks over here. If doctor want to expand this column, hold the cursor over here and drag this to expand this remarks column, and all these employees details are fetched from the Umeed database. Doctor can see if any column unfilled, doctor has requested to fill this column. This will help administration for the analysis purpose and analytical reports. And these are the checklist details. If any document or anything required from the employee to be submitted for providing a sick, doctor can click on the checkbox so that this alert will come to the sick generating clerk. He can upload the same document over while generating sick certificate. Once all this filled, doctor can click on the save button, save the sick certificate. Once it is saved, a successful request number generated over here. Now sick certificate can be generated by the sick clerk. Thank you.